Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made this amazing zucchini chocolate cake and I want to share with you how I made it. As you can see here on my table, lots of ingredients, but the procedure of making this is super easy. I have flour, I have cocoa powder. You can see ingredients on the screen, but also I'm gonna leave them in the description box. Baking soda, baking powder, a pinch of salt, we need sugar, 2 eggs, butter, and I'm gonna melt it and let it cool down, vanilla extract, or if you have vanilla paste it's even better, ground ginger, and zucchini, a large zucchini, around 250-300 grams if you're gonna weigh it. So these are the ingredients. Let's make this yummy cake. Oh, let's not forget about the chocolate bits. Yes, you need some of those as well. I'm gonna start mixing dry ingredients: flour, ginger, baking powder, baking soda, and cocoa powder. Mix them all together in a bowl, and this way the cake will rise evenly, will bake evenly, and the chocolate will be spread it all around the batter in an even way. Also, preheat your oven at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit because the batter will be ready super fast, and we need the oven to be preheated. I will deal now with the zucchini. As you can see, I just wash it, cut the ends, and I'm just gonna use a bigger grater and take my time and grate these without fingers, of course. Because zucchini has a lot of water in, I will put this grated zucchini on a clean kitchen cloth and squeeze it really well, making sure that I will eliminate as much of the water as possible. Use your strength and squeeze that zucchini so you can take out as much as the liquid that you can. Now add the eggs in a mixing bowl. You can of course use a mixer, but I made this cake using just a whisk, and I'm telling you, you can do it as well. Add a pinch of salt and also start adding sugar over eggs and continue to mix. Add a little bit of vanilla extract for more flavor and incorporate that melted butter. I melted it on the stove, but I let it cool down a bit and mixing it with the rest of the ingredients. Now add dry ingredients and still using the whisk. Make sure that you combine them really well, and the mixture already looks yummy. Am I right? That cocoa powder just makes wonders. Now we need some moisture in this batter. As you can see, I'm kind of struggle to mix it up, but guess what? We have zucchini, and zucchini, even if I squeezed most of the liquid as I could, still has lots of moisture, and this cake will be absolutely delicious. It's not gonna be dry, it's gonna be super moist and absolutely delicious. So now I'm adding zucchini. I will not be able to mix anymore with the whisk, so I'm switching to a spatula, folding in and mixing really well. that zucchini with the rest of the ingredients. Let's not forget about the chocolate bits. I will add them in my batter and mix everything together. And the batter looks luscious and shiny, and it's ready to be poured in the dish in which I'm gonna bake the cake. I line the dish with baking paper and grease it with a bit of butter. I'm leveling the batter with the spatula, making sure that I don't have any air pockets, and I'm gonna bake these at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. Make sure that you do the toothpick test, making sure that the cake is properly baked, and also after baking, let it cool down for about 10 minutes in the oven with the oven off. I'm removing those paper clips, and the cake goes now in the oven. After baking, I will make a glaze. I have here a pre-made one, a chocolate glaze, 40 grams, and I will mix it up simple with just water. If you don't have this, use chocolate that you can melt in the microwave. I'm adding water over my glaze, that is chocolate, and it's like a dust. I never used this before, so I'm taking my time. I'm not adding a lot of water from the beginning, 1 teaspoon at a time, until the glaze has a texture like a sour cream, thick but still a bit runny, so I can pour it over my cake. I glaze the cake and I will let it until the glaze is set, and this glaze takes only a few minutes to dry out, and I'll be able to slice up the cake really nicely, and the glaze will stay super nice on top of it. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I hope you're gonna try this dessert. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to find reasons to smile, and press that subscribe button and thumbs up if you like, or if you didn't like, thumbs up also. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.